Hello, welcome to Live Sofiabulous. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is about my visit to North Sedra farms. North Sedra farm is an hour drive away from Doha, off the beaten track, and a great little place for families of young children. Tickets are 20 Riyal for adults and free for children below 2 years. There's a really nice playground, a truck ride and lots of greenery with fresh air. You can enjoy a lot with your family over there. There is a peacock themed restaurant with peacocks on display while you dine in. It's a very refreshing and unique new experience. Food options are limited, but the available food is really good. There is also this amazing museum of cars which is showcased by the owner's collection. There's plenty of farm animals to see and feed, including goats, sheep, ducks, geese, and non-farm animals too, like llamas, zebras, deer, oryxes, turtles. There's also a small museum of the owner's collected items and artifacts that gives you a picture of Qatar in the past. worth the drive and you will thoroughly enjoy with your family and friends like I did. Check out more details about planning a visit to North Sedra Farms. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.